Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can easily create a mega menu to your WordPress project with using free plugin. This is easy, so let's get talk about this. Go to our WordPress dashboard and hover on the plugin, then click Add New. Now search for a plugin called ElementsKit. Scrolling down and see this is our plugin. Now click Install and then Activate. After complete this task, then go to our second step, create a menu. Go to ElementsKit, then click Header and Footer. Now click Add New and set this header template's name. I'm gonna write header version on. You can choose different name, no problem. Then select type, header, then activate this option. Before you can save, you must edit your header structure. Click Edit Content. Now you can design your header. Select ElementsKit icon and choose templates to save our time. I'm gonna choose this one now. Click Insert and automatically add this fresh page. Now click this section and select Menu. Our menu visible on our templates. I'm gonna change logo. Just click this Edit button and upload our own logo. Now I am change this logo size little bit. Click Style and adjust width. Then click Update. Reload our page and see header appear on our site. Now time to add our mega menu. Go back to our dashboard and hover on Appearance. Then click Menus. First, enable mega menu option. Then choose Page and click Mega Menu. And also enable mega menu section under this service page. Click Edit Mega Menu Content. Now we are got mega menu design page. Click this ElementsKit icon and select category to mega menu. You can see different types of mega menu templates are shown there. You can choose your design and click Insert and automatically mega menu import our page. Now time to design our mega menu. I'm delete this section. Change category image. Just click this edit icon and upload our own image. I'm also change category title and you can set any individual page. Just click and edit. Now I'm gonna show how you can adjust your category image size. Click Advanced tab and change margin padding. You can delete extra column, just click this container and delete them. In your keyboard, delete button or click right side mouse button and see delete option. After finishing your mega menu design, then click update and close this tab and also save our mega menu setting. Now check that, go to homepage and reload our page. Boom guys, see here, our mega menu are visible on our header. So this is how you can add a mega menu to your WordPress website without any pro method uses. And again, please share this video with your friends and thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you very soon in your next classes. Bye bye.